So far to date, we've had approximately 1,000 callers to the helpline, and the callers range from leaving certs to parents to career guidance teachers to apprentice employers and apprentices as well. The questions vary to what is an apprenticeship, to how do you apply to become an apprentice, to how do you gain employment. From the employer's perspective, they want to know how do they become an apprentice employer, and from the career guidance teachers, they want to know how we can help them to pass on information to Leaving Cert students so that they can avail of all the opportunities that are there for them post their Leaving Cert and not just focus on third level options. One particular student was a Leaving Cert student and wanted to study accounting or in the area of finance and had planned on applying to third level college. And when it was outlined to them that they could apply for the finance apprenticeship, they decided to opt for that route. So they are in the apprenticeship at the moment, absolutely loving it, and they love the fact that they are working and being mentored by an expert in the area and spending time in college. So they have the best of both worlds. There are 66 wonderful apprenticeships available. They range from a level 5 to level 6 to an honours degree level, and that is really important because a level 8 apprenticeship equates to the third level honours degree. So it's important that parents, teachers and Leaving Cert students realise they can study and attain an honours degree through the apprenticeship route. If you want to find out anything about apprenticeships, check out apprenticeship.ie or use the free phone 1800 794487.